Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the quadratic equation. And first equation is the alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation guys, and the equation is x square minus px plus r is equal to 0, right? And the roots of given equation is alpha and beta. So we can say that alpha plus beta, according to the properties of root, alpha plus beta is equal to p guys. So this is the first equation. And now alpha and beta is equal to, we can write here, what we can write here guys, r, right? So this is the second equation guys, right? Are you getting my points? Now what you can write here guys, now you can you are having the another equation is x square minus qx plus r is equal to 0, right? And the roots of this equation is alpha by 2 and 2 beta guys. So we can write here alpha by 2 plus 2 beta is equal to q guys, right? And now what we can write here, after adding we can write here the alpha plus 4 beta divided by 2 is equal to q, right? Okay, are you getting my points guys? And after doing the cross multiplication you can write, so we can write here the alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 2q guys. So this is the equation third guys, you can suppose. And another case is the alpha by 2 product of the root alpha by 2 into 2 beta is equal to r. So after cancelling the 2 you can write here the alpha beta is equal to alpha beta is equal to r guys, right? So this is also the fourth equation guys, right? Now I am going to solve the solving the equation third and 1 guys, right? Third and 1. So we can write here the alpha plus 4 beta is equal to 2q, right? And now from equation first you can write here the alpha plus beta is equal to p, right? And now you can subtract, after subtracting it will get cancelled, and after subtracting this 4 beta minus beta equal to, you can write here the 3 beta, right? And you can write here the 2q minus p, right? Now you can write here the beta is equal to 2q minus p by 3, right? So it will be the correct guys, right? And this relation I will use in the further guys. So this is the very important for the further solution guys, right? Now we can write here the alpha from equation first. From equation first guys, what we can write here, alpha plus beta is equal to p. So alpha plus beta equal to p, and we can write here the alpha equal to p minus beta guys, right? And beta will be, alpha is equal to, we can write here the p minus beta, and beta is what guys, we can write here the 1 by 3 into 2q minus p, right? And after taking the LCM you can write here the 3p minus 2q plus p and divided by 3, right? So alpha is equal to, you can write here the 4p guys, right? Are you getting my points? So guys, you can write here the 3p plus p equal to 4p minus 2q by 3, right? Okay, we will take the common, right? So we can write it as guys, 1 minute students. What we can write here, we can write here is alpha is equal to, after taking the common, and we can write here the 2 minus 2 by 3 p minus q guys, right? 2p minus q, and we have to find out r, right? And r is equal to, this is the alpha and into beta. And what is the value of beta guys? So what is the value of alpha? We can write here value of alpha is equal to 2 by 3 2p minus q into, we can write here beta is equal to 1 by 3 2q minus p. We can write beta is equal to, we can write here guys, beta is equal to 2 1 by 3 2q minus p, right? And after the multiplying we will get the value 2 by 9 2p minus q into 2q minus p. So it will be the correct answer guys, right? So I am going to check which option is correct. So we can say that according to this information guys, 2 by 9 2p minus q into 2q minus p. So option D is a correct guys. So thank you.